Hey fishy people, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a great entry-level fish you might have seen at your local pet store, the platy. Now platies are a live bear like guppies, swordtails, and mollies. So they do come in many colors and variants and patterns, different tail shapes. The platy fish is actually native to Central America and Mexico. And the wild fish are actually less colorful than those that are raised in fish farms and our tanks. Now for this video, because there are so many different variants, I wanted to specifically look at one of the more popular variants that you're going to be able to find at pretty much most pet store, the Bumblebee platy. These fish are super easy for starting your journey with fish keeping. They're very hardy, so they're going to be able to handle some of those missteps that might happen when you're first keeping fish. They're also extremely peaceful. So they can be put with other fish with no issues. If you wanted to get them and then start a community tank, these will be a great option for you. Now the Bumblebee platy has this beautiful golden body, and then it's just got black spotches all over the body, which makes it look somewhat like a bumblebee. They get about 3 inches big, so they are on a slightly bigger side than other fish we might have. So I would recommend at least a 20-gallon if you're going to be getting a sizable group of these. If you're going to be getting a pair, you can probably do a 10 or 15 for just a pair, but just know they will breed, so you're eventually going to have to pull the fry and put them in a bigger tank or just come up with something else for that. Water parameterized, we're looking at a temperature range of 68 to about 80 degrees. You can go a little colder, maybe a little warmer. Just know the warmer temperatures are going to shorten their lifespan a little bit. And then, of course, a pH range of about 6.5 to 8. They do like slightly more basic water, so the closer to neutral you can get it will be good for these guys. Now, again, they're a super easy, peaceful fish. So you can definitely put them with other fish. If you want to consider building a community tank, look for other fish that say peaceful on their tags. With these guys, you can pair them with things like corridoras, various danios, your gouramis, like your hunting gouramis or your sparkling gouramis or your licorice gouramis, something smaller, not a giant gourami. You don't want to put a giant monster in with your little bee platies. That wouldn't go very well. You got your guppies, your tetras, rasboras, snails, shrimp, swordtails. The list is pretty much endless for these. As long as they're not an overly aggressive fish that's going to get huge to the point where the platy can fit in its mouth, you're probably going to be okay. Overall, these are a very colorful fish, easy fish for someone getting into the hobby, or someone who's looking for an easy live bear that doesn't want to go the guppy route. This is another good option for you. Most fish stores, if you bring in a bag of these, they'll give you store credit or some type of deal with you there too. So if you want to try a breeding project with live bears, don't want to do guppies, try some platies and see how it goes for you. As always, thank you all so much for the support on all the videos. If you are interested in another care guide, I will make sure to link one during the end screen for you to check out. Also, remember to please hit that like button if you did enjoy this little guide here, and leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on Bumblebee platies or just platies in general.